How to redeem a gift audiobook on Audible. Hello friends, welcome to in this tutorial I'll show you how you can redeem a gift audiobook on. To do this, the first step would be for you to go to your Gmail and then locate your check your email for the gift message from Audible and then go ahead and open it. Alright, I don't have any message, but I'm just trying to show you directly. So once you check your email for the gift message and you open the email, you will see the button redeem your gifts. Okay, you'll see the link displayed in the email. Just click on that. After clicking on redeem your gifts, you'll be asked to sign in into your Amazon account and sign in into your Audible account. Once you're signed in, the book will be redeemed automatically and then you can be able to read the book. It's that simple. So just head over to your Gmail, like I said, check your email, check the email containing the gift message, click on it, click redeem your gifts email, and then you'll be redirected to your Audible account. You'll be asked to create an account if you don't have one, or you'll be asked to log in. Ensure you log in, follow the prompts that is displayed on the screen, and then the redemption process would be completed and you would have your book to yourself. So this is how you can redeem a gift audiobook on Audible. Thank you for watching and ensure that you have a wonderful day ahead.